has finally come. It's the Perception Pescador Pro 12 footer. Tell you what, let me get her pulled off and get everything on it and dressed, and we'll go over it. Sorry that took a little longer than expected. Let's do a little quick overview. Like I said, this is the Perception Pescador Pro 120. You know, gotta obey the law. Got that red flag back there. My milk crate with a few rod holders. I did a winding spool with a 6-pound window weight for my anchor. Nothing crazy. I did put this anchor trolley system on there. That's the Kayak standard one, the lever lock system. I recently joined Kayak bass fishing. Of course, you got to have the brand on there. You know, just got to. I do have a Garmin Striker 4 put on this one. I haven't actually used it yet, so we're going to see how that goes. I put another rod holder and my GoPro mount right there. I know I'm missing some stuff, guys. I have taken this kayak out one time already to the tank at the house just to see how well she floats. But let me show you the coolest thing about this kayak if I can. The transducer is under the hull. They have a recessed area where you can just bolt it in place, and it's not going to get hit by anything. It's out of the way and it's fully functional. So anyway, I know I'm missing some stuff, guys. I apologize. I'm kind of excited right now. This is the first time taking this whole girl out. So let's get on the water and see if we can't get on some fish. Is that thing gonna work? Camera's not wanting to come on. I'll mess with it when I get out on the water.
I'll get out of the way here in a minute.
You're good. Ooh, hey, easy. All right, folks, let me get out of the sun. And I'm gonna mess with that other camera and see if I can't get it to work. This is this kayak's first voyage on bigger water. I am liking it. This thing is smooth. There we go. Maybe it didn't have a good battery connection. We made it on the water, guys. I don't know what was wrong with that camera. It didn't want to come on. I'd take the battery out and put it back on. Put it back in, rather. Turn the old Garmin on. So guys, we're supposed to have 20 to 28 mile an hour winds today. I don't know that it'll get to that. We gonna go with this bait ball. There's schools of feeder fish all around here, so. There it goes. Never used a fish finder before, but I'm gonna tell you what, this is pretty nice. Seeing what's going on, real time. Got a buddy of mine, Billy, over there. He decided to come join me today. He's a avid fisherman as well. Oh, I'm getting a bite, I'm getting a bite, I'm getting a bite. Come on, take it. Oh man, I had one. What? All over the place. Seems like I was having the best luck out of that Alabama rig.
Yeah.
I guess technically it's not an Alabama rig. I don't really know. I mean, it doesn't have a hook on every one of them, so does that count? I don't know. Don't tell me. Back. Awesome. They're all over the finder. They're not biting. All right, guys. That was a pretty unsuccessful day of fishing. They're all over the finder, as hopefully y'all can see in some of the footage I got. I didn't really go into great detail this morning about everything about this kayak. I think I covered most of it, but the seat, you can take the seat out. You can sit on the plastic if you want to. You put the seat in this slot here if you want to be a little bit reclined, and you put it up here if you want to be upright. You have a pretty good amount of storage back here. I like that. You have a dry hatch here that feeds into the hull of the boat. I don't really care for that, and I won't ever use that. But got a slot right here that you can use for a small tackle box. I don't have small tackle boxes like that, so I use the bungee as a tether hold for my tools. Right here is your battery box. I got the battery out of it right now. Fish finder goes there. Got your adjustable foot pegs wherever you want. Well, that wind is kicking in. You got more storage up here under this net. I like that net. I don't think I'll take that off. It looks pretty cool. But I think the coolest thing about this kayak is this right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a recessed area underneath the hull where you can mount your transducer. And I love that. But got my vinyls on there. My wife made those. KBS sticker. Another set of vinyls. But first time out on big water with this kayak. It was extremely windy. It wasn't ideal, but it was really stable. I have no complaints. I really like it. It was on sale. I mean, I had to buy it, right? But hopefully the next video y'all see from me, there will be more fish in it, or at least a fish. I'm not sure. But until then, guys, we'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. God bless y'all.